everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and welcome to my channel where learning phonics is easy and fun. Today we're going to be practicing oral blending. Oral blending is where we listen carefully to the sounds and put them together to make a word. I'm going to sound out each word 2 times and then I want to hear you say the word. For example, I will say at, and I want to hear you say cat. Let's turn our listening ears on. Are we ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be practicing CCVC words. These words have 4 sounds: consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. F, O, A, G. O, A, G. Flag. S, T, O, P. S, T, O, P. Stop. G, I, P. G, I, P. Grip. D, A, D, A, Drum. F, O, G. F, O, G. Frog. K, O, A, P. K, O, A, P. Clap. S, W, I, S, W, I, Swim. S, T, E, P. S, T, E, P. Step. Excellent. There were some really hard words in there, so well done. Maybe you could practice with your friends and family as well. Well done on all your hard work, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye!